Hey, this is Daniel K here with Evolve Lab to show you one of the small Revit tools we've been working on. Now, if you've done a lot of work with sheets and views, you've almost definitely run into this issue before. You have a sheet set up with views and detail numbers assigned, possibly detail views, and you want to add a new view somewhere in the middle. Now, by default, Revit will automatically assign that new view the next available detail number, which in this case is 11, but we want it to be 3. However, if I just try to rename it to 3, I'll get an error. Detail number is already in use. You can see this view to the right is already using the number 3. However, I can't just change this 3 to 4 because 4 is already taken and 5 is already taken, etc. So the old workaround for this was to renumber every view backwards until you get down to the one you need. But with this new tool we've been working on, you can simply click the Update Detail Number button and enter a new detail number for your view, and the rest is automated. So we're going to go with 3 here, and notice that 3 changes to 4, 4 changes to 5, etc. all the way down. Now, any views that can't have detail numbers, like the schedule here or a legend, are just ignored by the tool. Now, I know not every office out there uses a simple numeric numbering scheme, so we also are designing this tool to work with letters. In this case, if I want to make the first view A, it'll increment A to B, B to C, C to D, etc. And now some offices wrap detail numbers across lots of different sheets, so the first view on a sheet might not be 1. It might be 37 or X or something. In this case, we want this first view to be Y. I'm going to put a little Y in here. It'll change Y to Z. Z actually wraps to double A like the columns in an Excel chart. Double A will increment to AB, etc. Notice how it respects the difference between capital and lowercase letters. And this tool, it'll actually work with any alphanumeric string. For instance, here we have a capital letter, a hyphen, some leading zeros, and a number. If we want to rename this first view to be A008, it'll increment the next one to A009, A010, and notice in this case, it preserves leading zeros. A009 did not change to A0010, but just A010, and then A11, etc. So if you have any interest in beta testing this tool, or have ideas for other Revit add-ins you'd like to share with us, feel free to reach out to Evolve Lab, and thanks for watching.